Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dylan Fit's channel, your go-to place for all the coolest tips and tricks on making the most out of the web. Today, we're diving into the world of Swagbucks, the ultimate hack for earning free gift cards online. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your online activities into rewards. Hey everyone! Welcome to the exciting world of Swagbucks, where earning free gift cards is not just easy, but also fun. Let's dive into the top tips to maximize your Swagbucks experience. Number 1. First up, let's talk about transforming your searches into rewards. Did you know that with Swagbucks, every search could mean more points in your pocket? Just set Swagbucks as your default search engine, and you're on your way to earning with every search. Whether it's finding the best pizza in town or the height of Mount Everest, every search counts. Number 2, now, onto the swag button. Ever shopped online and then facepalmed because you forgot to use Swagbucks? We've all been there. The swag button is here to save the day. This nifty browser extension keeps you connected to earning opportunities. It's like having a smart shopping buddy who reminds you about deals and coupons. Just install it from the sidebar, and you even get a 50 SB bonus to start. Number 3, moving on to surveys. Want to make your opinions count? Fill out your survey profile and get matched with surveys that fit you like a glove. Plus, you'll earn 2 SB for every 10 questions. Keep your swag button settings updated to get alerts for new surveys. It's a breeze! Number 4, let's talk about earning on the go. With the Swagbucks mobile app, you can earn SB whether you're chilling at home or out and about. Watching videos, taking surveys, or answering polls while online at the store, it's all about making every moment count. Number 5, here's something for the social butterflies. Keep your friends in on the fun. When you refer friends to Swagbucks, not only do you earn 300 SB, but you also get 10% of their earnings for life. Talk about a sweet deal! Number 6, smart shopping equals more SB. Before you hit the stores, check what you can buy through Swagbucks or snag with a coupon. From trendy sneakers to essential office supplies, your shopping list can turn into a treasure trove of points. Number 7, why not earn while you work? Swap out the radio for Swagbucks TV. Catch up on the latest news or watch fun videos, and earn points right from your desk. Just pop out the swag button video player and multitask like a pro. Number 8, ever thought about trying new services like Dollar Shave Club or Birchbox? The Swagbucks Discover page is your gateway to these cool offers, and guess what? You earn big. We're talking 1,000 plus SB, which is like getting a $10 gift card just for giving something new a whirl. Number 9, start every day right with the Swagbucks to-do list. It's a quick and easy way to earn a few SB and get a taste of what Swagbucks has to offer. Number 10, daily goals are where it's at. Swagbucks sets a goal for you every day. Hit that target and boom, bonus SB. Keep the streak going for even more bonuses at the end of the month. Number 11, double the fun with My Gift Cards Plus. Buy e-gift cards and get cash back. Then, use those gift cards for online shopping through Swagbucks to earn double the rewards. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Number 12, keep your eyes peeled for gift card sales on Swagbucks. It's the perfect time to cash in your SB for even more value. Who doesn't love a good sale? Number 13, make Swagbucks your own. Customize your dashboard to match your interests. Whether you're a shopaholic, a gaming enthusiast, or an adventure seeker, there's something for everyone. Number 14, stay connected. Follow Swagbucks on social media for the latest news, exclusive offers, and those elusive swag codes. Number 15, last but not least, don't miss out on the daily swag. It's the Swagbucks blog filled with tips, news, and user stories. Plus, they have fun contests that could lead to big SB payouts. And there you have it, folks! 15 top tips to make the most out of Swagbucks. Start using these strategies today and watch your SB balance grow. Happy earning! And that's a wrap on today's guide to mastering Swagbucks. I hope you're now ready to start earning like a pro. Remember, it's all about smart strategies to maximize your rewards.